Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And here's an age-old problem. When you have a white background, the other items show through, and that's why a lot of artistic people put the white background is to hide the next layer. So the way to get around that, and especially for laser engravers, we want to not have white on our screen, but that would not work. So I've got my nudge factor set on 8 inches, and this is all grouped together. I am going to make a shell of this, a form, and then I'm going to nudge it over here, and I'm going to select both of them, and I'm going to go the Intersect tool, and then I can, well, what did I do with the other one? Nudge it over, and now the other one is in front of the other one. Same thing with this one. We're going to go ahead and remove the white background. Whoop, my ellipse was not there. Make an ellipse around it. Let's remove the white background. And this particular one isn't that, well, I need to nudge that over because I need, evidently that's grouped together, so I'm going to go to Object, well, break curve apart, and then that will get rid of my, well, what did I do with the lip? There we go. I hit down instead of, so do the same thing with this one. Let's nudge this over. Let's take our Smart Seal tool and fill that in, nudge it over, and see just a little bit of it showing. But if we go here and we intersect it, and then we nudge it back, now that one is in front of the other one. Well, it's behind the other one. But if you didn't have, let's just take away these rings, and you can kind of more see what I'm talking about. That really doesn't work. But if you had an object that was round, square, whatever shape, of course you'd want to get rid of these interior lines. And there's really 2 ways you could do that. We could do this. And it just depends on which one of those you want to be in front and back of the other one. And it's always probably better to move this out of the way so you can delete all these lines, because that's the first copy. Might be a little bit difficult to understand that, but this way everything's in order. And if the lines were a darker, thicker line, well, it would kind of show up a little bit better. I'm just right-clicking. No. There we go, my pen movement moved. So that way, this one looks like it's on top, that one's on top of the other one, and then that one's at the bottom. So if you ever have that situation where you need to remove white, and see like right here, if we put this one to the back of the page, the other one shows up. But they all have white. And I'm using a totally yellow page this time, like I just made in a video the other day, instead of the yellow box trick, because this way you cannot select that page, and you can't put anything behind it like back a page. So if you ever have a situation where you need to take away the white, but the white was blocking the other obstacles, you can do this. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.